Hello kids, let's learn some colors and shapes. Dark green color, light pink color, peacock green color, sky blue color, purple color, orange color, pink color, black color, red color, brown color, blue color, yellow color. Let's draw the shape. Pie. Star. Diamond. Rectangle. Heart. Octagon. Pink color. Pie. Pie, pink color. Brown color. Star. Star. Brown color. Orange color. Diamond. Diamond. Orange color. Peacock green color. Rectangle. Rectangle, peacock green color. Dark green color. Heart. Heart. Dark green color. Sky blue color. Octagon. Octagon. Sky blue color. Pink color, brown color, orange color, peacock green color, dark green color, sky blue color. Pie, star, diamond, rectangle, heart, octagon. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.